Come on, Ryder, go!
Get upfield, man! Get upfield! Nobody's there. Come on!
Get it to her! Get it, Grayson!
Ginger's tired.
Get back,
Ryan. Ryan. Did you catch it last year?
Come on, get up!
Like you get some video.
Go upfield!
This thing doesn't work video.
Let's go, Jen! You can do it! Get in there, guys!
3 red cards.
Come on,
Hear about it.
Take a shot, Julian! Julian, if you can!
There we go.
Yeah, good idea! That way, you got 3!
Start going with him, Julian. Come on, charge the ball.
Good pass! Woo! Come on, Dylan!
Yeah.
Casey and Julian right back there.
Go right now! Yes! Nice Good try!
Don't run beside him.
Good try! Good hustle!
Come on, guys.
Good try, Christian!
Maybe a stoppage where this is not recording.
Go, Scrapper! Let's up!
Come on, guys. Get after it.
You're there! Take a shot!
I'm going to play with it, and then I'm going to pass it.
You got it! Watch out!
That's it. I want to take a new kid.
Come on, Riley! Yeah, Julian! Good pass!
Get upfield. Get upfield. Wide open. In front of the net.
Good hustle, guys! You can do it!
Defense, move up.
Yes!
Move up to the white line. Move up to the
Come on, get aggressive, guys! You can do it! Nice! Oh, great idea! Come on, Julian, keep it in. Keep it in! Julian, go with them! Hustle back, guys!
Oh, did they both? Oh, okay.
Come on, get it together.
1 minute left.
Let's finish yours up here.
Stay with them. Get open forward! Get open forward! You can do it!
Move around. Don't stand still.
Big kick, Riley.
Soft kick.
Go! Get it, Julian. Yeah, great.
Analyze your soft kicks in. Shoot it!
Get him, Dylan.
Come on, Dylan. Let it go. Let it go. Good, Drake. Let it go.
It's not that exciting.
Josh done it. This kid's saying
No, not on the yellow.
Make them do something. Make them do something.
Take the shot! You got it! Chase it, Cal!
Let them walk over. Come on, Julian.
Get it, Julian! Bring it
Carry
up,
it.
Julian!
Carry
Bring it
it.
up, bring it up! You're good, you're good!
Carry it. No
Get
responsibility.
in there, Julian! Hey, guys!
And here's 7 free kick. Middle of the free kick. He's down. Nobody's challenging.
Come on, get it, Casey! Get it, Casey! Girl! Good job, Casey! Come on, Dylan, get it. Get it down!
Go with them. Slow enough. She could have got through it again. Come on now, keep going.
No! Don't stop!
Stand there, fight. There we go, 3-on-2 again.
Yeah! Go, Dylan, go!
Come on, guys, take the shot. This guy's not out to win.
Yeah!
All right, go, Julian.
Good job!
Move.
Good shot!
It's ours in the corner.
It's not even Stop, Paul! Hustle! Watch 7!
Nope. Riley, why are you not? Why is Riley not?
Come on, guys, you can do it!
So what's that? Get upfield,
Come on,
Ray.
guys, get open!
Get up Mason, move forward.
Big kick, Yes, shot! You did great! Come on, Victor. Yeah! Hustle! Hurry!
Come on, Jack, get in there.
There you go! Keep with the music, Dylan! Nice! Go, go, go! Go, Riley! Go, 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 Riley!
Reb, hustle.
Not even thinking about it. I'm just going to let him grab all that.
Yep. Come on, Ryder! Yeah! Get it, Ryder!
Turn the ball. Nobody with him. Grayson, give me a forward or a back to him. Your choice. Lots of shots.
Shots, guys, keep it up.
Flop your one, but it'll work. Take it one. Come on, charge at it. Now go to the net. Shots on the net.
Is that Coffin from running red?
Yep.
Casey! Come on, Dylan! Wait, Casey! Watch the middle!
Three on. Julia, get in there between them.
You can do it! Keep working! Get it! Get it out! Go, Cal! Bring it out!
Come on. Julia, go chase it.
Go time!
Oh, he left it.
Oh, come on!
Oh my God, Benson, he's running off the ball. Come on, Cole, what's up, buddy?
Good job, Dylan. Let's go, Dylan!
Go with him now. Dylan's not even going to the net. Because the defenseman shouldn't be up. But he don't shoot.
Keep it in! Help him!
You might as well go after him.
Good job, Casey! Stick with him! Get it out!
Come on, go again.
Come on, let's go!
Come on, you guys.
Stay
Help
with
him
him,
out.
Casey, stay with him!
Help him out.
Yeah, Cookie's inside! Move the ball! Let's go! Oh, good try. Yeah, Ginger, hustle on there! There we go. The rebound. Good job, good job.
Take it from him.
Stay with them, Julie. No, hurry! Keep with them, Julie.
Good job. Come on. Good job. Free throws. Come on, Jack. Big kick. Go chase it
Go,
down,
go,
Julie.
go! Ginger, hustle!
Shoot it.
Ready? Good work!
Gotta beat Chris.
Come on, Ginger!
Get in there. Come on. Good. Hey, nice kick. Nice kick, Ronnie. Get up. Take it up.
Count!
Get in there.
Come on, guys! Ready? No, what are you doing? Come on, guys!
We're getting all the rebounds.
Let's go!
Come on, Jen. Come on, let's go.
Get it, Grace! Go, Grayson, go!
Come on, Grayson. Ginger, take that shot. Oh, right.
Yeah!
Oh, come on, Jen.
Come on, Ginger! Come on, Riley!
Come on, Jason. Wait for it to come. Don't charge it enough. You know, it's very toasty.
Keep going, keep going.
Just again. Minutes up. Should have been. Actually, you know what? If we would have been watching some of the first where he stands, it may have been like, I don't know, 15 to 10.
Come on, Ginger!
Play the whistle. Play the whistle. Nice. first half they didn't play very well.
Yeah, it's a big rock.
Yeah. But the referee was
You need to put those guys on notice.
Last time I did that was when I was right there.
called the goals. That she was rolling it back.
Yeah. You know what? A couple of years ago, they had the girls' team on notice. It was the parents.
Oh, yeah. Actually, about 4 years ago, 5 years ago, that team turned into the team. Wait, on your phone.
It was like, that's the one where the parents were calling the cops on the field because of the parents. It wasn't. Some of the girls were strong, some of the girls were a little on the whatever. But it wasn't a team culture thing. It was the parents. This one is the team culture. And the coaches. Open up for him! Yeah, I gotta tell you, this white netting really sucks. But I know you're just, yeah, you can't see anything.
We're never going to make it happen. I realized that. Years and years ago, I realized that. Ooh, that's on record.
It is! It's a hot,
Don't put the camera down here.
it's a hot mic, Brian of MSB. Good job.
Go, go, go! Come on, Rob. Keep going, good job. Go, go, go!
It was. 3 lines. Ryan just leaves at the right time.
All of a sudden now they're causing-
Go, Lexi. Go, Jay. Go, guys!
How many Red Bull did you drink? Half a liter of wine? Mix it up.
Nice play. Right at you guys.
Take your time.